Hello, lovely viewers! Welcome to today's crafting adventure. We'll be creating something truly special, our Enchanted Blues Earrings. These earrings are not just accessories, they're a piece of art you can wear. Before we begin, let's go over what you'll need for this project. Square porcelain beads. Deep blue glass beads. Earring stud. 0.3 millimeters wire. 0.8 millimeters wire. Take your 0.8 millimeters wire and measure a suitable length for your earrings. Remember, it's always better to cut a bit longer than needed. This gives you room to adjust. You need to cut to a piece of the same length. If it has slight difference, it's okay. Using the round nose pliers, create loops at each end of the wire. These loops will secure the beads in place and also provide attachment points for our earring studs. Make sure to adjust where need to be adjusted. Next, place a square porcelain bead in the eye pin you just create, and seal the other end with another loop. Make sure it have the same length. Now let's work with our smaller beads. Grab the 0.3 millimeters wire and cut to piece of the same length. Set one aside. Grab one small bead and slide it in. Let the end of the wire meet and twist them together. Use a plier to assist on this twisting. Make the same for the other one. Grab the round nose plier and make a loop at the end of it. Secure the wire properly. Grab the porcelain bead and leave an opening to put the stud in. Close the opening and open the other side of the wire. To slide the small bead in, close the opening to secure it inside. Let's do the same for the other side. There you have it! Our Enchanted Blues earrings are complete. I hope you enjoyed this crafting session. Experiment with colors and designs to make them uniquely yours. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting!